Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp templates in Notifyy. Go to the engagement section and click on WhatsApp templates. Here you can view all your WhatsApp templates. You can search, filter, and manage templates from this page. Click on Create Template to start building a new template. Enter a template name, then select the category and choose the language. You can add a header to your template. Choose from text, image, video, document, or location. If you select a text header, you can also add variables to personalize it. In the template body section, start by typing your main message that will be sent to customers. To make your message more personalized and dynamic, you can add variables. Click on Add Variables and insert options like first name, check-in details, or other available fields. These variables will automatically be replaced with each customer's actual data when the message is delivered, making your communication more relevant and engaging. To make your message more interactive, you can add buttons. Click on the Add Buttons option and choose from different types such as Quick Reply for instant responses, Website to redirect users to a link, Call phone number to enable direct calling, or Copy Offer code for easy access to promotional codes. These buttons help improve user engagement and make it easier for customers to take action directly from the message. Click the preview to see how your message will look. Click Create to continue. Template created successfully. Click Submit to send the template for approval. The approval process usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Click Sync Status to check the latest template status. Templates go through stages like submitted, in review, pending, approved, or rejected. Once approved, templates can be used in campaigns. You can edit, view, submit, or delete templates. WhatsApp templates help you send structured and personalized messages easily.